All right, we're back again. That was so fast. So if you were watching this video, you were here for step 6 of solving your speed cube or your Rubik's Cube. And I'm here with my co-host, Angelina, also known as Ariel the Mermaid today. So for step 6, you should have already solved steps 1 through 5. So you should already have all white on the bottom. You should have 2 rows of the warm and cool colors, and you should have a yellow plus sign now on top. What you're going to do is you're still going to have that yellow plus sign on top, plus all the other elements that we talked about, but additionally, you're going to have matching middles. Matching middles is a sign that you completed step 6. So as you can see here, I have matching red,
step 6,
matching green, matching orange, and matching blue. To achieve this, all you have to do is the same thing that you did in step 2. Step 6 is exactly the same as step 2. It's so easy. So if you've already made it this far, you already know how to do step 6. So here's my cube. On my cube, let's say I have it like this. I can see that this doesn't match, doesn't match, doesn't match, doesn't match. How about your cube?
No, this match, this match.
And the other 2? Doesn't match, doesn't match. So they can't see yours all the way on. So she has this does match, doesn't match, doesn't match. So on mine, right now, none of them match. So I'm going to turn the head. Does match, does not match, does match, does not match. Ooh, so I have opposite matching right now. Now, some of you may have learned the trick to get these pieces to trade places. You can do that on step 2. When you do step 6, you no longer have that option. So I won't show you how to do it yet, just in case you haven't solved that piece yet. I know that some of our friends were super close, but if I try to do that same thing, getting these 2 pieces to trade places that I normally would have done in step 6, it's going to mess things up on the rest of your cube. So that's not an option this time. You have to use the full algorithm that we taught you in our video for step 2. So let me put these pieces back into the correct place. So right now I have opposite matches. So I have green and blue. My 2 cool colors match, where my 2 warm colors do not match. So I'm going to use that same algorithm that we talked about in step 2. So if you have opposite matches like I do, you're going to move the left side down, move the head across to the left, move the left side up, across, down, across, up. But I won't do that final turn. I'm going to check all my centers, check my middles, does not match, does not match, does match, does match. So now I have mine lined up ready to do the standard algorithm for step 2. Remember that you have to have one of the matching middles face your chest, the other matching middle faces to your left. Okay, so she's going to have the green matching middle face her chest, and she's going to have her red matching middle face to the left. For me, I'm going to have the red matching middle face my chest, and I'm going to have my blue matching middle face to the left, and the ones that don't match are pointing away from me or to the right. So I'm going to turn my cube down, across, up, across, down, across, up, across. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 matching middles. And I still have my yellow plus sign. Angelina, show us how you do it.
Down, across, up, across, down, across, up, across.
Dun, 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 dun. So you can see she has, show us what you have.
On the bottom, I have dun, 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 dun. Almost done, almost done.
Almost done. Okay, so we are almost done. We just completed step 6. Go ahead and practice step 6. If you want to practice step 5 and step 6 together because you're so easy, you can.
You do it 10 times.
10 times before moving on to step 7, because step 7, It's not super hard. It's actually pretty easy, but it's not as easy as these two last steps that we just did.
Hey, you have cake.
Shh. Sneak preview. Yeah, there might be cake. Maybe. All right, friends. See you later. Bye.